Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down on the screen to open the control panel or shortcut menu. And on the control panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb. The icon will change the color, and it will appear right here at the top. Also, if you go back to watch face, it will appear at the top of the watch face, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. It will say Do Not Disturb again. The icon will go back to the gray color. It will disappear from here, and also it will disappear from here, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also turn it on or off through the settings. So you can swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it, then scroll through settings and find the notifications option and tap on it. Here, find the option called Do Not Disturb, and once you find it, you can tap on the switch to enable it, and then tap on the switch to disable it. And then you can press the power button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.